Hello children, welcome to the social studies class. I hope you all are fine and safe. In the previous part of chapter 2, we studied that changes happen to all of us. Our life is changing as time advances. Lifestyle of the people also changes. We see changes in their clothes, food habits, work pattern, houses, etc. When we change our neighborhood or school, we see some significant changes. Today, we are going to learn about the changes that takes place in a school. Children, with the passage of time, schools have also changed a lot. The number of students in the school has increased. New buildings have been made which has new classrooms. Old buildings are repaired and painted. Also, old teachers and other staffs have retired and new ones have come in their place. In some schools, smart class has been installed in the classroom for better teaching. Computer labs have been built so that the students may have good knowledge about computers too. A few schools set up another branch in the city or other cities. Every year, we see a fresh batch of little learners in LKG. What are the reasons for these changes? Let us see. Reasons for changes. The main reason is that the people's desire to do something different. The main reason is the people's desire to do something different. They allow these changes to happen for various reasons like better job opportunities and shifting to a new home. Children, drastic changes can be seen in the life of the migrating family. The child of such a family gets admitted in a new school, in the new place, in the entirely new environment. He gets to meet his new teachers and classmates. Sometimes the family moves to a new place because they think that the new school will provide better education, which is very necessary for good future. If the new city is in another state, then the child gets to see new people and surroundings with new language, new traditions and food items also. Children tend to pick up so many things from the neighbors, like their food habits, talking style or language and dressing style too. Parents also move to a new city if they get better job opportunities, as they think that it will help them to have better standard of living. Another reason is buying a new house. Buying a new house can also lead to shifting a new home to a new home. Let us see what are the effects of the changes. Children, migrating to a new place can make you unhappy. Migrating means going to a new place with the intention to stay. Migrating to a new place can make you unhappy as you are leaving your friends, neighbors, and classmates. Secondly, new academic changes and challenges will come up because of the curriculum. Because it can vary within a grade from one class to the next. Curriculum means the details of various subjects taught in a school. So subjects can vary also. Another thing is you have to start all over again to establish new friendships. This will take quite some time. Now, let us discuss about how to adapt to the changes. There are various things which one can do to adapt to the changes. First, eat healthy food and avoid fast food. Second, maintain a good healthy routine. For example, get up early in the morning, pray to God, do some exercise, eat your meals in time, study well, and take rest too. Third, do some recreational activities. Means you can join some hobby classes to learn drawing, painting, and to play some musical instruments, etc. Friends make us happy. So make new friends in your new school as well as in your neighborhood. Play together, always help each other, share your things in time of needs, etc. All these good gestures will help you to strengthen your friendship. Maintain a positive attitude towards the new school. If you face any problem, you must talk to your parents. So children, today you have studied about changes in this chapter. You must be thinking why we have to go through changes. Children, change helps us to grow and learn. You need to adjust with the changing conditions so as to live a good life. I hope you have understood the lesson. With this, I end today's lesson. Thank you.